Hi, and welcome to Pregnancy Glow. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the support and guidance you deserve on this beautiful journey to motherhood. Let's get started. If you've recently found out you're pregnant, congratulations. You're officially in your second month now, and in this video, we're going to talk about what you can expect between weeks 5 and 8 of pregnancy. These early weeks can be filled with excitement, but they can also be confusing or even overwhelming. You might feel more tired than usual, a bit moody, or just not like yourself. And that's completely normal. Your body is going through some big changes. There's a new life beginning to grow inside you, and even if you can't feel it yet, your body knows. At week 5, your baby is about the size of a sesame seed. It's tiny, but a lot is already happening. The foundations for the brain, spinal cord, and heart are forming, and within a week or two, you may even be able to hear that little heartbeat during an ultrasound, which is an unforgettable moment for many moms. You might notice symptoms kicking in around now: sore breasts, nausea, mood swings, more frequent trips to the bathroom. Some women feel completely exhausted, even if they've had a full night's sleep. That's because pregnancy hormones like HCG and progesterone are ramping up fast, and your body is working really hard behind the scenes. By week 6, your baby's heart is usually beating between 100 to 160 times a minute, faster than your own. Facial features like the eyes, nose, and ears are beginning to take shape. Limb buds are also starting to grow, which will soon become arms and legs. Around this time, morning sickness can become more noticeable. And let's be honest, it doesn't always wait for the morning. It can hit any time. Eating small, frequent meals, staying hydrated, and keeping plain snacks like crackers nearby can help. And if it gets too overwhelming, talk to your doctor. There are safe options that can make a big difference. Week 7 is when your baby's brain is developing rapidly. About 100 brain cells are forming every minute. Fingers and toes are starting to form too, even if they still look a little webbed. The umbilical cord is now fully working, sending nutrients from your body directly to your baby. You might still be feeling pretty tired, or even a little bloated. Some light cramping is normal as your uterus expands, but always reach out to your provider if anything feels off, like strong pain or heavy bleeding. It's always better to be safe and ask. By week 8, your baby is about the size of a raspberry. All the major organs are in place and beginning to function. Eyelids are forming, bones are beginning to develop, and yes, even tiny taste buds are starting to grow. Isn't that amazing? This is also around the time many women have their first prenatal appointment. If you haven't scheduled yours yet, now's a good time. Your provider might run some blood work, check hormone levels, and maybe even do your first ultrasound. Seeing that tiny heartbeat flicker for the first time is something you won't forget. Now let's talk about taking care of yourself during these early weeks. First, make sure you're taking a prenatal vitamin with at least 400 micrograms of folic acid. It helps prevent neural tube defects and supports early brain and spinal development. You'll also want iron, calcium, and vitamin D in your vitamin. Most high-quality ones include all of these. Next, focus on eating smart, not just eating more. Choose whole foods when you can. Think fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein like eggs, beans, or chicken, and healthy fats like avocado and nuts. Avoid high-mercury fish like swordfish, and skip things like unpasteurized cheese, raw meats, and deli meats unless they're heated properly. Hydration is super important too. Try to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. It helps everything from digestion to maintaining healthy amniotic fluid levels. And of course, avoid smoking, alcohol, and any medications that haven't been cleared by your doctor. You may also feel more emotional than usual, and that's okay. Hormones are shifting quickly, and it's normal to feel up and down sometimes. Try to find small ways to relax, whether that's a few minutes of quiet, a walk, or just listening to music that soothes you. Even 5 minutes of calm can make a difference. If you're already a mom or working full-time, be gentle with yourself. You don't have to do everything perfectly. Growing a baby is already a full-time job on its own. Listen to your body, rest when you need to, and don't be afraid to ask for help. And remember, trust yourself. No one knows your body better than you do. If something doesn't feel right, talk to someone. Your doctor, a loved one, or even an online support group. Connection matters more than you think. You're not just growing a baby, you're building the foundation of a new life, and that's something incredibly powerful. Thank you for spending these few minutes with me. If this video helped you or brought you comfort, please give it a like, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe to Pregnancy Glow. We're here for you every week with honest conversations, support, and simple guidance you can trust. You've got this, and you're doing better than you think.